Police in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Johnson County in north-central Texas, south-central Tarrant County in north-central Texas, until 2:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:07 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Cross Timber, or over Burleson, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Fort Worth, Burleson, Crowley, Rendon, and Cross Timber around 2:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Mansfield around 2:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Briar Oaks, Lillian, and Egan. This includes Interstate 35W between mile and Egan. This includes Interstate 35W between mile markers 28 and 42. For your this storm, move indoors immediately. Lightning can kill.